However, granularity can also have a completely different view because it's not just necessarily around the asset level, but we could focus on a specific granular threat action. For example, gas pipeline digging is a typical problem for power and utility companies with gas operations. And if we look at that very specific threat area, that again is a granular view, but not from an asset perspective, but from essentially from the threat actions dimension. So organization unit wise, you can see that obviously gas pipeline digging is applicable for the gas business. Risk events can actually cause, like gas pipeline digging can cause service disruption, of course, significant health and safety, like a gas explosion, environmental pollution, and property damage, and so on. Threats wise, we just focused on the gas pipeline digging, so you can see that that's how we are focusing on the granular part. And then attack surfaces, you can see which segments, which pipeline segments essentially are most sensitive to the gas pipeline digging.